Hello everyone, I'm Abhilash Banerjee and you are watching Achievers Biology. Today we will discuss about the coronavirus and its worldwide traumatic conditions. So let's start.
So friends, we have already discussed in our previous two part about the basic structure, history of the virus, as well as in the second part the replication as well as the epidemiology with the diagnosis purpose of the virus. Today we will discuss of the treatment and the safety prognosis which can be taken place for this virus. So let's see.
What is the treatment for this COVID-19 test? After being diagnosed this COVID-19, there's some drugs that has been used, of which remdesivir, which is used for the treatment of the Ebola virus. This inhibits the RNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme. So somehow it restricts the viral replication. Also the chloroquine, that is the anti-malarial drug, which inhibits the virus entry into the endosome within the cell, which is being used. Ritonavir is a protease inhibitor. This drug also blocks the protease enzyme, which resists somehow the viral protein formations. There is a Tylenol, which reduces the fever. Corticosteroids are also inhibits the phospholipid alpha 2 proteins. So these drugs are not specific drug for COVID-19, but to resist the infection or to resist the viral replication, doctors are using this in that cases. If we discuss about the vaccine, there are some potential approaches where the vaccine can be used, where the vaccine can be applied. In spike protein based vaccine, there may be occurs which inhibits the activity of the spike protein. Maybe the inhibition of the transmembrane protease serine, which blocks the transmembrane implantation of this virus in the host cell. Blocking the ACE2 receptor may be a great approach for the COVID-19 blocking. Also some delivering excessive soluble form of ACE2, which downregulates the activity of this ACE2. So now still there are not many amount of drugs discovered. Scientists are trying to discover the drugs. A Moderna naming biotech company, which was first to launch a vaccine, that is the mRNA 1273, but it's all these vaccines are not truly applicable for all types of serotypes in the world, as well as it is not applicable or being truly accepted by the whole world, because the virus is very much mutating itself, its whole genetic material. So with this, there are some cases or some newses that has come that before 2021 maybe no vaccine can be produced. Also the virus is not self-replicating. So this type of symptoms are causing problems occurs. In India now it's around 57,000 cases, which is still increasing and still increasing throughout the world also. The medical giants, Italy, America, are still fighting. Even the Italy is not able to cope up with this viral spread. So it's truly a very critical situation for the whole humankind. What is the prognosis as well as the safety purpose of this virus COVID-19. The prognosis is the risk factor is a cardiovascular disease 10.6% increases. In the lung disease, it will be 7.3% increase. In the cancer immunosuppressed diseases, there will be 5 to 6% increase. For the aged person, that is a 60 years or more, the mortality rate is very high. It attacks our immunity. Also, in here the D-dimer, ferritin, CKMB, troponin, it will increasing in high. If we discuss about the safety purpose, we must have to wear mask every time, almost every cases. Washing hand with for about 20 seconds with alcohol sanitizer is very much needed. 70% alcohol is very essential, or maybe you can say it's important for the invasion of this alcohol into the pathogenic cell membrane. If necessary to go outside for essential commodities, make sure that the maintaining distance should be done. So be aware, everyone. You should have to be aware, not only for you, for the sake of the society, for the sake of the world. So hope everyone liked this video. I have tried a lot to give you more information with this incubation period 4 to 14 days, or having this structural specification or epidemiological study, or the history, or the pathogenic replication, or to the antibacterial or antibody specific information. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.